Why? For this. Good luck, everyone. I am Charles Horse Brown. Today is the end of October, so I'll put it down. It's a Halloween camp.
Hello.
Yeah?
It's a courier.
What, is it a courier service to the campsite?
The sign is fine.
Who the hell are you from? The destination is appropriate and too rude.
Excuse me.
However, it arrived well with this. In the first place, the delivery will arrive. I don't even shop online. What's inside? Wow. Why doll?
Hi, I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend to the end. Heidi ho!
Huh? Does this doll speak freely? Is it battery powered? It's a creepy doll. Is it harassment? Now it's time to prepare for lunch. Today is Charles's special hamburger steak. Bake it over medium heat. Fry mixed vegetables in butter. When the hamburger is baked, Charles' special hamburger sauce. Alright, it's done. Wine is indispensable for meat dishes. Let's do it. Yeah? Sure, the doll should have been in the box. Does the doll move freely? No way. Is it someone's mischief? Oh, a little hamburger is being eaten. Oh, the sauce is in the doll's mouth. I wonder if it was on my mouth. Is someone mischievous after all? That's strange. Oh, a wine glass. Oh, the doll's mouth is red. This is strange. Are you eating and drinking?
Hi, I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend to the end. Heidi ho!
No matter how you think about it, the doll shouldn't do that. Who the hell is that mischief? But no one. It's too strange. Oh. The doll is gone. And the cooler box is open. Oh. All ingredients and drinks are gone. Why? For this.
your mind tonight, pulling your hair, baby. I feel you breathing